Hey people, so there is this show called The Evil Resides here on Discovery Plus app, and my god, that show will give you goosebumps because it has so many episodes and it's all about basically spouses stating about how they had no idea that evil resides here, like their spouse only turns into some sort of serial killer and all of that. So it's a very different perspective. Normally we are told a story from a victim's point of view, but here it's from, that's what, the person who has lived with that particular killer. So it's a whole lots of episode different, it's based on true life stories. So it is very very freaky. So really people try and catch it. It's on Discovery Plus app, and like I said, I don't want to make my videos more than 1 minute long. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.